Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher of KKI schools. Our lesson today, solve an equation with variables on the both sides. Okay, solve each equation, check your answer. Question number 21 here. It is 3 multiply q minus 5 equal 2q plus 5. The first step, as usual, we determine the left and determine the right. And this is part 2, by the way. In the part 1, we figure out there are a variable in the left and the right, and we collect the variable in the one side and the numbers in the other side. Great. Now I figure out there are, in this equation, there are variables in both sides. But here, before I combine or I collect the variables together and the numbers together, I have to break the parentheses here. Yes. So I will start with the left side. Okay. And how I can break this parentheses? If you remember, Ali has a home and a farm. Okay, so Ali must visit the home and must visit the farm. Because of that, 3 multiply q equal 3q, and 3 multiply negative 5 negative 15. Yes, this is the left side. What's about the right side? The right side here, it is it is the same. We break the parentheses in the same way. I multiply 2 by q, which equal 2q. Then I multiply 2 multiply plus 5, 2 multiply 5, which equal 10, plus 10, and this is the right side. Okay, my dear student, great. Now in the left side, this is equal, this is the left, and this is the right. Now I can collect the variables on the one side. I will move the small variable, or the small to the big. Okay, I will move the 2q from the right side to the left side to be beside the 3q. Yes. Okay, now when I move it, I have to opposite the sign, my dear student. Okay, so it will be negative 2q. Now, and in the same time, I have to move the negative 15 here to the side that has a number. Yes. But teacher, the 15 is more than 10. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, you have to collect the numbers beside each other. So you move the 2q in the left side. So whatever the numbers you have in the left side, move it to the other side. As I did here, the negative 15 moved to the other side, which is the right side here. Yes, if I move the negative 15, I have to change. Teacher, it is 15 or negative 15 here? It is negative 15. So when I move it, I have to write plus 15? Yes, my dear student. So the left side will be 3q, which is here. And I move the 2q beside it, and it will be negative 2q. I'm done from this side. Now, from the right side, I have 10 plus 15. So what I moved, okay, what the things or the terms that move, the negative 2q come from the left side, and the 15 here come from the left side. Okay, okay. Now I have left and right. Teacher, you change the color, doesn't matter. The most important, just determine the left and the right. Okay, see the border of the left and the right. Okay, now combine the terms. Here we have subtract. I have 3, and the grocery want from me 2. 3 minus 2 equal 1. So it is q, 1q. Yes, you can write it, you can move it, it is up to you. Okay, equal 25. So my dear student, how a q is equal 25. This is the solution. We done. Okay, now I have to make sure my solution is correct. How I know it is correct? I go back to the original equation here. Okay, here. Wait a minute. Okay, and give the q its value, which is 25. And check, is the left side when I finish the calculation equal the right side? Let us try. Now do what inside parentheses here. 25 minus 5 equal 20. 20 multiply 3 equal 60. So this side is 60. Now the other side. Now 25 plus 5 equal 30. Multiply by 2, which equal 60 also. So the left side equal the right side. This is the meaning of the solution of the equation. Okay, my dear student, bravo. So what is the extra, or yes, what is the extra step that we learned today? We have to break the parentheses, then make the transportation, okay, or the movement of the letter, or the collecting the variable beside the variable and the number beside the number. Okay, now we are here. Question 22. This is dangerous question. Okay, my dear student, dangerous question. So 8 negative 3 plus b equal b minus 9. So we have left and we have right. Okay, great. Now in the right I have nothing to do, but in the left I have parentheses. How I can break the parentheses? Teacher, there is no number. It is 8 minus the parentheses. Yes, but you have to remember that there are a hidden one here. So it is negative 1 multiply, it is look like this actually. Negative 1 multiply 3 plus b. So teacher, this negative change the sign of the 3 and the sign of the plus b? Yes. This negative, it is negative 1 multiply by 3 equal negative 3. Multiply by plus b equal negative b. Okay, my dear student, it is very important case or situation. So the negative here must distributed into the 3 and the b, and inverse it is sign. Yes, so it will be 8 minus 3 minus b. This is the left side. What about the right side? It come as it is, b minus 9. We don't do anything. Now the left side, I determine the left side and the right side. Great. Now as we learned before, we have to move the letters together in one side and the numbers together in the other side. Okay. Now here I have the b here. I will move this b, this negative b to the other side. Teacher, every time you move this variable to here. Yes, you are correct. But if I move the b here from here, sorry. If I move the b, this b here, okay, to the other side, that means I need to move this and this number, two movement or one movement more. Okay, so I will move the p from the left side to the right side, from here to here, and the negative b will be what? Plus b. Okay, and I will move this negative 9 to the right, to the left side. Okay, great. Now after the movement, okay, it is 8 minus 3 plus 9. Yes, I bring the 9 to this side. Equal, I will move this here. It will be b plus b. Yes, b plus b. I move this here. Now this is the left side and this is the right side. 8 negative 3 plus 9. So I have 8 and I have 9, which is 17, and the grocery want from me 3. So the left, or what I have inside my pocket, it is 14 for me. Yes, and here we have 2b, divide by 2 and divide by 2 by the coefficient of b, which is 2. So this is 7 and the b coming here, and the solution is b equals 7. B equals 7. That make the equation, the left side in the equation equal the right side. The left side, when I give the letter 7 here in the original equation, here when I give this 7 and this 7, so the left side must equal the right side with this value. Let us make sure this give 10. Yes, 8 minus 10 equal negative 2. So left side equal negative 2. And if I do the calculation here in the right side, 7 minus 9 equal negative 2 also. So the left side equal the right side. So b equals 7 is the solution of the equation. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.